Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Classes with me. So today we will discuss about 5 news headlines of date 20th 9 2020. So the first news headline goes on. Wait, sorry, I'm really sorry about this. Yes, Delhi Metro has sold 80k smart cards from September 7 to September 16. Why and how? Let us listen. The first thing is that the Unlock 4 has some guidelines regarding this COVID-19. The first guideline consists is that there will be operation of Delhi Metro, but with some rules and regulation. The rules and regulation is that they should maintain all the rules and regulation followed for COVID-19. So in that rules and regulation, there should not be valid token system from now onwards. So from now onwards, only smart card will be sold to the customer. Those who are having the old smart card can activate and can use it. If we can see the estimate per day, 8,600 smart cards had been sold for the Delhi Metro. So the question for this news headline is guidelines. The second news headline is about COVID-19. So let's write it. So let's rub this news headline first. Then we'll go to the second one. So the news headline is the COVID-19 second wave has started in Karnataka. Who has told this and through which statistic it has been told? So the Kerala CM has told that after a research and by looking at the statistics that the second wave has been started in India. Like per day there has been an estimate of 8,600 positive cases and 820 people have died in this COVID-19, which shows that the second wave has started, even though there are following so much rules and regulation, but as per the statistics it has been declared. And now the second thing is that WHO has also declared that in the month of October and November the death rate will be double because of the winter season. Yes, COVID-19 is very effective on human body in the cold season, so that's a huge problem for everyone. So the question for this news headline is estimate. Okay, so this is the news headline and this is the question. Now let's move to the next question. Next news headline. So the next news headline is about India-China border. Yes. Army has started the supply of food and some of the supplies related to shelter to the army personals, those who are staying in Ladakh for the China-India border dispute, because as per the news it has been told that the dispute may stretch a longer while, due to which the logistics service of army has taken initiative to look forward to it so that no problem is created during the supply. So it has been started in a early. Let's hope for some good news. So the question for this news headline will be major. Okay, so this is the news headline and this is the question. So let's move to the fourth headline, which is on COVID-19 vaccine. The Oxford COVID-19 vaccine third phase trial going to start from the coming Monday, means the next week, and this test will be conducted on Pune itself. 150 to 200 volunteers have registered by themselves, those who are interested, and they will be conducted the third phase trial for the Serum Institute. So the question for this news headline is trial. So this is the news headline and this is the question. You have to just find the meaning of this. This is the last news about INS Virat. Yes, INS Virat is set to sail for the last journey from Mumbai to Gujarat, because a company named Green Sea Sail Recycling of Gujarat has bought INS Virat for 38 crore for this mental. INS Virat has served the British Navy for 25 years and after that they have served Indian Navy, and right now due to heavy use of maintenance, Indian Navy is set to retire INS Virat. So the question for this news headline is museum. So this is the last headline and this is the last question. So thank you for watching to my video, this news video. If you like this video, then please click on the like button and on the subscribe button. If you don't like this video, then please click on the dislike button and write on the comment section what should be improved. Thank you and have a nice day.